Hello, welcome. I'm Casey from Home Quarters, and today I will be guiding you through a detailed analysis of Parktown Residences, a newly announced integrated development in Tampines North. From feedback from the last video that I did for Ori, you guys feel that it's a little bit too simplified, and so today I will dive even deeper and wait up till the later part of the video where I share you a little bit about which one I think for each layout type, which stack and also which block that it will be the cheapest for all your investors and also own stayer out there that are looking for a great deal. This development is jointly developed by CapitaLand, UOL and Singapore Land. This project integrates residential units with an MRT station, bus interchange, retail mall, hawker center, and community club, all in one location. My goal is to provide a balanced perspective on whether Parktown Residences align with your plan, whether you are seeking a home for personal use or evaluating it as an investment. A few segments for this video is that I'll give you a rapid fire of all the project information, subsequently talk to you a little bit about the floor plan, my expectation price, and subsequently a bit of floor plan analysis, which is the cheapest, which I feel the developer will launch in terms of stacks, and subsequently a little bit of my viewpoints at the nearer to the end of the video. Before we start everything, I just want to let you know that this is my personal opinion, my own prediction of the floor plans, the future resale prices, etc. And this does not relate to my company nor whoever that I'm representing. First, let's start off with the rapid fire information. Let's begin with the key facts about Parktown Residences. Developer, of course, like I mentioned, CapitaLand, UOL and Singapore Land. Tenure 99-year leasehold commencing on October 2023. Number of units is 1,193, close to about 1,200. Estimated TOP date is 2028, 2029 thereabout. Is in, of course, Tampines North region, a little bit ulu. So there are integrated amenities such as air-conditioned bus interchange, direct link to the upcoming Tampines North MRT station, the Cross Island Line, expected around 2030 to be completed and connects you to the future aviation park in the Changi region, Punggol Digital District in the Punggol region, the Defu Industrial Area, Ang Mo Kio, Turf City, Bukit Timah, King Albert Park, Clementi, and finally the ending point is Jurong Lake District. A retail mall is a little bit small, around 20 to 30% smaller, if you can imagine, than East Point Mall, if you are Simei, if you've been there before, or Seletar Mall. Also, we have integrated hawker center, community club. Integrated development are relatively rare in Singapore, often launching at a definitely higher price point. However, do note that MRT station may be only operational only around the 2030 period mark, about 2 years after the condominium is slated for completion. Let's talk about the site plan analysis. Parktown Residences occupy roughly 50,000 square meters of space. It is divided conceptually into Park West and Park East segment, each featuring distinct communal facility but connected via a two central link bridge. Layout and density with around close to 1,200 units. Some residents may find the environment more vibrant, which is good, while others might find it too crowded. Each zone hosts its own pool, garden, gathering area with a two shared link like I mentioned, ensuring all residents can use both sets of facilities at east and west side of Parktown Residences. Facilities expects multiple pool, including lap pool and the resort style pool, which I quite like. Fitness corner, tennis court, which is quite rare recently. Dining pavilion and function spaces. The hawker center, retail mall and bus interchange will form part of the podium level, meaning the level 1 area integration, plus together with most likely supermarket at basement level, ensuring quick access to daily necessity and public transport. So about accessibility wise, once the Cross Island Line is operational, connectivity improves definitely significantly. However, until then, residents may rely on bus services, personal vehicle, or existing MRT station further away in the Tampines or Pasir Ris region. Let's talk about the floor plan analysis. Parktown Residences cater to various household profile from single to larger multi-generational family. Here's a quick overview because there's a lot of floor plans. I will not bore you, but a little bit of things to take note here and there if you are going for each of these floor plan layout type. Starting from a 1-bedroom plus study, typical size between the 450 to 600 square feet region. I think good entry point for single if you are looking for accessibility, convenience, living on top of a mall. Professionals, a young couple, may lack the Jack and Jill bathroom that usually we see in a 1-bedroom, so guests potentially need to kind of go through to your bedroom or study for the bathroom access. 2-bedroom premium and 2-bedroom plus study. If you typically, we say 2-bedroom 1 bath, 2-bedroom 2 bath, and also 2-bedroom 2 bath plus study. Around the 600 to 800 square feet Take note, this is a harmonized project, meaning this is actual kind of livable space and not inclusive of your aircon latch area. Most of the 2-bedroom here are dumbbell layout design, ensuring privacy and no wasted corridor space. The premium, meaning the 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and also the 2-bedroom, 2-bath plus study version might also include those enclosable kitchen and extra spaces for home office or storage needs, because most 2-bedroom in the market right now also does not have a storeroom. Particularly suitable for young families or couple wanting a bit more room. Budget is limited, maybe start off with your 2-bedroom first. Your 3-bedroom compact, meaning your 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and also 3-bedroom, 3-bath, approximately around the 900 plus to 1001 square feet region. The compact version, the 2-bath version, may omit a yard area and also storeroom space, offering a smaller kitchen. And in fact, some layout type, I think it's not so desirable, but it's okay, later we'll take a look. Yeah. While premium 3-bedroom, 3-bath typically include a yard space, utility room, meaning your 3rd bathroom, and window for natural ventilation in the kitchen and bathroom. This bedroom type especially is popular with HDB upgraders seeking a more spacious, family-friendly layout with facility on the ground. And I think in Tampines itself, this will form much, or if not most, 70-80% of the profile that is next time we'll be buying from you. The 4-bedroom and 4-room premium generally around the 1,000 to 1,004 square feet range, larger living, dining area, and typically a yard plus helper's room. Essentially, your helper have their own master bedroom, right? Ideal for families needing additional spaces or those planning for multi-generation living under one roof. Next, if you are looking at the 5-bedroom here, you are the king of the hill already. Often 1,004 square feet and more. Very rare new launches because that's the most expensive already. Catering to biggest household, commanding higher quantum, scarcity wise, and also because of the fact that Tampines don't have much 5-bedroom and also don't have much condo lah. It might support a longer term value. When evaluating layout, consider foyer dimension, corridor width, balcony size, and ventilation point lah. So these are design features that will impact daily comfort and future resale demand. And a lot of times, some of the floor plan area over here have additional foyer area. So really depend on you. Really, if you really like that view and that's the only layout type that you have, then okay lah, not too bad. In fact, I think foyer space is also quite usable to put in your shoe rack, etc. And also a little bit of preventing that nosy neighbor to look straight into your unit. I'll talk about why I will not buy Parktown. There are several factors that will cause me not to buy. Firstly, is the delayed full connectivity. In layman term, right now I find that Tampines North is a little bit too ulu, right? Because the Cross Island Line will be accessible in 2030 itself only. Right now, Parktown Residences will TOP around at 2028, 2029, meaning that 1 to 2 years time, you will not have access to MRT station, even though there's a good temporary bus interchange over there. So you still have to take that and go to the MRT station if you don't drive. But if you drive, I think it is still a little bit far off from the main Tampines area. So you are talking about getting food, etc. Really only the opposite side nearer to the HDB estate, you have a little bit of eateries over there. The next, high density. This project is really quite big, about 1,200 units in total, can lead to increased foot traffic and potentially very crowded facility, even though there are duplicate facilities in the east and west side. By seeking a quieter, more nicer, peaceful environment, might consider this a disadvantage. And also very competitive in the future if you are looking to exit and sell or in the near term wise. The integrated development premium is also something that might put a lot of people off. Integrated project usually command a premium of 300 to 400,000, $300 to $400 per square feet over comparable standalone condos in the region. If your goal is a quick profit within the 3 to 4 years, this premium could limit short-term appreciation. Next, the environmental noise and activity. The presence of bus interchange and a busy retail mall just below on the ground floor may translate into a livelier atmosphere is good, but those preferring a strictly residential setting could find the daily bustle very undesirable. Unfamiliarity with the area. Tampines North itself is really a new area carved out from the Tampines New Town. But unaccustomed to Tampines North development, we find it less appealing than fully matured Tampines estate, right? While the area's growth could be a future advantage, being your first mover advantage, especially in the private condo segment, it requires patience and might not suit everybody. Also, your EC, your tenant and Oreo at Tampines, this could be your competitor next time. Definitely, they will probably sell cheaper than you when you sell it next time, because they have all that looks and feel of the condo, but don't have the price of Parktown next time as well. On the flip side, why will I consider Parktown to buy? Firstly, a long-term advantage and integrated development. Usually, integrated project remains very rare in Singapore, offering retail mall, transport hub, additional amenities all in one place. You can see things like Sengkang Grand, Woodleigh Mall. These are all typically very good project and also very convenient. People are looking for it evergreen. Okay, historically, they maintain a strong demand and value over extended mid to long term. Next, growth potential in the Tampines North region. The Tampines Region Centre is part of Singapore's decentralization strategy, with Changi Airport Terminal 5 coming up. The Paya Lebar Air Base redevelopment, they're moving it out, and it's 5 times that of like Bishan, Ang Mo Kio, Toa Payoh, thereabout. Punggol Digital District expansion in Changi Business Park set to boost the East project and economy and housing demand. Next, substantial HDB upgrader pool. Really great upgrader pool. Okay, many nearby BTO will reach their minimum occupation period (MOP) in the coming years, creating a pipeline of financially prepared upgraders. Parktown Residences as an integrated hub is likely to attract all these buyers in the resale segment. Okay, soon enough, I think $1 million flat will be there in Tampines region. Next, the developer track record. Firstly, CapitaLand, they are really good, like mall operators. UOL make good condos, right? Plus good track records, and Singapore Land is bring reliable experience, particularly in the large scale or mixed use development. This can provide confidence in construction quality and the project completion. Next, all-in-one convenience I mentioned, integrated development, the presence of hawk center, community club, retail amenities, and aircon bus interchange within the same development makes daily life simpler. Okay, families, retiree, and working professionals may find this particularly valuable, and they will form your future buyers and also your current competitors for your new launch and your queue numbers. Price prediction analysis, in my opinion, Parktown Residence land cost 800 plus close to 900 per square feet per plot ratio only, factoring all the construction costs, integrated development premium, developer margin. They're currently launching, looking at the starting price around that 2003 to the 2006 range. A low floor external facing one could be that 2003 to 2004, mid-tier about 2004 to 2005. Premium about 2006 and up, especially the smaller unit high floor one. This gives short-term flipping a little bit of challenge, giving that entry premium and also delayed MRT timeline. However, in the medium to long term, in my opinion, maybe 7 to 10 years and up, once the Cross Island line is operational and more of Tampines North amenities are completed, Parktown residents may see stronger appreciation down the road. If you are staying for a long time, say 10 years, and subsequently looking to sell it off at a profit, I think shouldn't be a big issue 10 years later. But also on the flip side, 10 years later, everything in Singapore should increase in price. So we move on, the most likely cheaper stack by layout. Okay, below are example of stacks that might be priced lower based on common patterns in larger development. For example, facing BC Road, Substation Bin Centre, Direct West Sun, blah blah blah. Okay, let's first start off with the 1+ study. In my opinion, stack 105, 104 at block 21 and 23. Their lower floor units should start off that starting from price range above the entrance of the future bus interchange. Could be noisy, most likely the developer might price them lower. Okay, the 2-bedroom 1 bath stack 18, 19, 26, 27, 38, 39 at block 3, 5 and 7. The low floor unit facing HDB car park and also almost direct west sun facing could also cause their price to be a little bit lower, road noise, etc. Okay, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Stack 107 at block 23, being closer to the bus interchange entrance and exit again can be very noisy, and so the price might be very competitive. 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with study, I think stack 3, block 1. All the 2-bedroom plus study is internal facing within this development, but this particular stack is direct front view is blocked by block 9. So in my opinion, should be the cheaper stack that we are looking at for investor. 3-bed, 2-bath, I think this will be very competitively priced. Every 3-bedroom, the cheapest stack should be stack 17 in block 3. They are exposed to passing traffic in Tampines Avenue 6, plus the view is blocked by the HB in front. Okay, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, most likely the one single unit, in my opinion, 0281 should be the cheapest, block 17. Tampines Drive 2 facing current bus interchange right now. There's only one unit in that stack because everything else is the bigger unit here. Okay, the 3-bedroom, 3-bath plus study, in my opinion, stack 20, 25 at block 3 and 5, facing Tampines Avenue 6 and also opposite HDB flat with west sun facing, could be very competitive as well. Now, 4-bedroom, in my opinion, stack 40 at block 7 with the west sun coming in, road noise at Tampines Avenue 11 could cause it to be a bit cheaper as well. Next, 4-bedroom premium and 5-bedroom, in my opinion, everything is very premium already lah. They are the best in the condo. Any one of them should be similarly priced lah. This reference again are purely predictive and illustrative. Does not represent the opinion of my company. Just again, I want to emphasize. Okay, the verdict whether or not it's a thumbs up or thumbs down, it also really depends on the price that the developer come up with. The only thing we have right now is the starting from price, depending on the loading for each level. If you can purchase a unit closer to the lower end of the predicted PSF range, around the 2003 to 2004 range, with the MRT station and future development in Tampines North, like I mentioned, maturing, and this unit may show solid mid to long term performance, then it's a thumbs up. Short term wise, it'll be iffy. I don't dare to say much lah. But if the eventual launch price or whatever the unit that you bought is crossing that 2006 per square feet mark in the near term, the potential for appreciation really is very low. Investor or homeowner might need to hold a little bit longer, waiting for the entire Tampines North transformation to be done, infrastructure upgrade, including a cross-island line fully materialize. So then it's a thumbs down for me if that is the price that you're going to buy into. Parktown Residences is especially suited for those ready to place long-term convenience and integrate living benefit ahead of your short-term flipping profit. By aiming for a quick exit within that 3 to 4 years mark, you may find the price premium a little bit too much and delay MRT completion less favorable. Unless you are looking to sell within that 3-4 and then hopefully, fingers crossed, nothing crazy happen in the world. Thank you for watching this comprehensive review of Parktown Residences. I hope it has helped you assess whether this integrated development with its projected timeline and pricing align with your property goals. For further guidance tailored to your specific situation and budget, be it HB upgrade, your first private home purchase, or a strategic investment, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Casey from Home Quarters. I look forward to offering more in-depth advice to ensure you make an informed and confident property decision. Until next time, stay informed and I'll see you again. Remember, Home Quarters and start